Welcome to today's session on Intelligence's it.lockbox. Many times customers are processing payments from their incoming customers manually. That may be for a multitude of reasons. For example, they may have a lockbox, but they have no integration of that lockbox into SAP, so they're manually printing out the lockbox information and manually entering the payments from that lockbox file. Other times you may be receiving a payment advice from a customer for an ACH payment via EDI, but you have no EDI integration to SAP, so you're printing out that EDI message and manually entering that payment information. Or maybe you're receiving that ACH payment advice by email, again printing out that email information and manually entering that. Or you're still receiving checks directly at your location and you're manually keying that information into SAP. Intelligence has provided a tool to allow you to upload those incoming payments into SAP using Excel. Uses standard SAP lockbox processing functionality to allow you to streamline your cash application process and your manual cash application. We'll begin with a template providing a number of pieces of information. For example, what's the customer number that's paying us? What is that payment reference? Could be a check number, could be a remittance file information. What is the amount of that payment? The invoices that the customer is paying, as well as the net amount, any deductions they may have, any reason codes. So if the customer is giving you their reason code and you've made a cross-reference to your internal reason codes, this tool will take that customer reason code and convert it to your internal, or you can put your internal reason code directly here as well, and the deposit date. All the information that is needed to be able to process that payment. Then within SAP, we're going to convert that Excel file to a BAI2 format for the lockbox program to be able to use. So we're going to take that lockbox information. Where is that lockbox file, Excel file saved? Where do we want to convert it to a BAI2 format? What do we want to call it? How many checks are we depositing, or payments are we depositing, along with the total amount of that remittance? We can do it as a simulation run. There are error checks. For example, if I change this to 3, we had 4 payments on our payment advice that we created the Excel. It'll tell us that that differs from our file. The same rule applies for the remittance total. Once you run that file, it's going to do the posting onto the customer's account, clear any open items that are referenced in that payment. If that payment is incorrect, in other words, the wrong invoice number, the invoice has already been paid, then it will post onto the customer's account, and with the BAI2 file format there that it will be processed. There's logic around the sequence of where it needs to find. Do we want to post the oldest open item? Those sorts of things are also configured within this tool. So basically, we're going to allow you to eliminate that manual process that you're doing today of keying that bank file, streamline your cash application process, and leverage the existing tools of SAP and Excel. This is just one of the many solutions available from Intelligence as part of our intellectual property. You can find out more information about this tool as well as others that we offer at our ad store at www.adstore.intelligencegroup.com. Thank you for your time.